All right, Annalise, it is a Thursday. A lot of people are already starting to look forward to the weekend, but we've got the next couple of days to get through, and it is a chilly day today.
It is our chilly day. It's our most chilly day that we will have in the extended forecast. So after today, things do get a little bit more mild or a little bit more around average for December. It is our second coldest month after all. As we take a look right now, we do have that storm system still awfully close by. The one we dealt with yesterday that started to bring the cooler air and even some rain. Not so much rain today for us, but it does help to reinforce the colder air settling in. And it's keeping the clouds wrapping around up from Oklahoma, and those are pouring into North Texas. We really saw that trend in the early morning hours, and I think we're going to be stuck with these clouds more than not today. Makes a big impact on temperatures too. 44 from DFW right now, back around Oklahoma City, only 34, and Amarillo 29 right now at this midday. That is about 5 to 10 degrees of a difference from yesterday, so cooler air compared to what we did see on Wednesday. That means numbers are mostly in the low to mid 40s, 46 Dallas, 42 right now in Fort Worth, and even 39 back around Graham. So keep the coats with you today. Not much warm up to occur, as we're only talking about 49 for a high today from DFW. Maybe a bit of sunshine by late afternoon, early evening, but I think that could even be a stretch. But we will make progress as far as losing the clouds tonight. Those clouds are moving out quickly overnight. That will allow for our numbers to drop off close to freezing, and maybe some spots out to the west of I-35 below freezing, waking up Friday. And of course, it gives us a great day to kick off the weekend. Sunshine back tomorrow, and we're going to keep it going as we head on into Saturday and into Sunday as well. Now, the next couple of days, one thing that we've noticed is that the pollen has returned. You've probably noticed it too. Moderate levels today, tomorrow. We've got ragweed and cedar to thank for any issues. But I did want to show you, while we've got the quieter weather moving back for the weekend, of course, many of us are counting down how much time do we have to get everything done for the holidays. You've got 22 days till Christmas. Average temperatures for highs as we get to Christmas and New Year's Eve would be in the mid-50s. And what do you know? Our extended forecast kind of already seeing that range will be in the 50s to around 60 as we head to the weekend.
All right, Annalise, thanks so much.